Okay, we're at the other beach now. If the drizzle stops, I can take the bag off. I'm gonna get a picture, a better picture. Watch the folds of the bag and I screwed up on pin 3017 on me. Doing a good job with that. Okay, give about 5 minutes or so. Hate zigging, I should be zagging. I'm pointing that way, and the big waves are over this way, and vice versa. You heard that song before, zigging won't you be zagging? Yeah. Come on, man, give me some big, fat, juicy, sexy, scintillating waves. Make my day so sweet. Hey man, I don't mind coming here on a cloudy, drizzly day. I need to keep those royal pain in my ass crowds away. And the crowds happen to be some real sexy girls and beautiful bikinis, but you know what? I draw them better anyway. That is for sure. Old paraphrase I kept saying time after time. I'm much older than the vast majority of my good T-Storm and YouTube buddies, and yet all my girlfriends are still on paper. Yeah, it's much cheaper that way. Okay, I'm now almost 4 minutes in this recording. I think I did alright at the other beach. The beach is over that way, where that lighthouse is. That light pole. Sometimes you get big waves, sometimes you get waves that are not so sexy. It comes in series, you know. I learned that long ago when I was bathing in the waves, going back eons past. Alright, maybe one more set of big waves and I'll probably shut off until the next time. Okay, I see some coming. Boy, last April 26th, 6.5 months ago, boy, they were gorgeous. Okay, the battery light's on, but that's okay. Well, I'm going to videotape today anyway. I got pretty good footage. Okay, I see some. I really like when they all line up like that. I swear I do. After these fellas. Today's only November 10th. November 12th marks 31 years to the day. We had 10 inches of snow in many parts of southern RI. Actually, that snow made me smile because I didn't have to go to my pain in the ass business school I was still attending then. Yeah. And while we had snow on 11/12/87, we had thunder lightning on 12/15/87. And I was stuck not at home when it happened. Oh, that was a royal pain in the asses. Of course, it was my sister's birthday dinner. What do they think of next? Alright, well, seems to be a big lull in the big waves here. So I'll pan around, show you what this joint looks like. Interesting relics. Thought of coin detecting here, but haven't done that in 15 years anywhere. Yeah, I rather detect big waves. My good friend Jason Sellum, he's into coin detecting too. Waves over there. And the lighthouse. It's almost time to call it quits. More big ones before I can shove off, please. I just like the sounds of them. Wait for me to shove off, and I miss a 20-foot wave coming in. You know, ain't that a sap of peach? Sap of crap, rather. Okay, we're almost 9 minutes in recording on this mode. Alright. Some nice waves earlier when I showed up. Well, you know, they might subside a little. We're hoping they'll pick up again as we get towards next Wednesday. Well, Tuesday and Wednesday. Hopefully I'll be back here. No promises. Pretty much expected the T-storm season's pretty well over until next spring. But in the meantime, I enjoy coming here and videotape the waves. Hopefully minus the pain in the ass crowds. About 10 minutes of recording and the battery light on its last gasp. Alright. We'll slowly head towards where I had emerged from. Or if I can walk like a person, not like a peg-legged robot, I can get some nice videoing. Okay, that's all for now. Until the next time. Bye.